Uh, After knowing the relation between velocity and speed, that is, when you add direction with speed, speed changes into velocity. And if you remove direction from velocity, it will change into speed. So we concluded that there is a difference of direction between speed and velocity. Now the question arises, are their magnitudes always same? Okay, let it be. There is a direction in velocity, but not in speed. Means there is a difference of direction. But the next question is their magnitudes are always same or different? For that, like there is a question, is the magnitude of speed and velocity is always same? So to understand this, let me take one example. One position of cos A and another position of cos B. Now, any child, this is exactly his home, and this is a shop, and the distance between home and the shop is, let it be, 100 meter. Now case 1, child goes from A to B. Now I want to check its speed. I want to check its speed as well as velocity there. Now look, we know that speed is equals to distance traveled per unit time, or velocity is equals to displacement per unit time. Now if I want to find out speed, what is the distance? 100 meter, and let it takes 2 seconds to reach there. So time will be 2. So what will be the speed? 50 meter per second. And here the displacement is also, I think the shortest path between A and B is 100. So what is the displacement? 100, and the time is 2. So what will be the velocity? That's again 50 meter per second. So in case 1, we concluded that both speed and velocity are equal. But for case 2, if the child went to B and comes back to A, so now let us find out speed and velocity. Speed, now speed means distance, total distance upon total time. And okay, let it be, if a child went to shop 100 meter in 2 seconds, comes back again 100 meter, so what will be the distance? That is 200 meter. 200 meter, and what will be the total time? 2 seconds from A to B and plus 2 seconds from B to A. So how much will be the time? 4 seconds. So the speed will come out to be 50 meter per second. Now look for velocity. We know displacement per unit time is defined as velocity. But okay, I think the time here also 4 seconds, because the child went from here to there in 2 seconds, and in next 2 seconds he or she has returned. But now look carefully, this was the initial position, and this is exactly now the final position. So the shortest path between initial and final position is 0.